Ken 啊。Hello， 大家好，歡迎大家收聽亂噏24，我係阿 Ken 啊。Hello everyone, welcome to 亂噏24。I am a Ken。如果咧你有聽上一集，應該記得我喺尾段輕輕咁樣提過一個好港式嘅廣東話俗語，叫做戴頭盔。At the end of the last episode, I briefly mentioned this Cantonese slang, 戴頭盔。Today we are going to slow down and take a closer look at it。上一集呢，我只係好快咁樣解釋咗少少關於呢個戴頭盔嘅意思，咁所以呢，今集我就想用多啲時間同你深入解釋呢個字背後嘅文化同埋佢嘅心態，順便用一個中英雙語嘅形式幫你記得更加實在。In the last episode, I only gave you a very quick explanation. In this episode, I want to go deeper. Where does 戴頭盔 come from? What does it really mean? And how can you actually use it in a real-life conversations? 首先呢，戴頭盔嘅字面意思其實好簡單，就係 to wear a helmet. For example, when you ride a motorbike or you want to do something dangerous, you wear a helmet to protect your head. So literally, 戴頭盔 just means to put on a helmet, and which is used to protect your physical safety. 但係喺廣東話嘅俗語入面，戴頭盔呢唔係淨係解安全裝備。In Cantonese slang, it's not really about physical safety. It's about protecting yourself socially or politically before you speak. 戴頭盔呢個俗語其實係嚟自好耐之前某一個好出名嘅網上論壇講過嘅一句說話，又要威又要戴頭盔。Let me break it down for you. 威 means to look powerful and to look impressive. 戴頭盔 here means to protect yourself, to avoid any responsibility or consequences. So, 又要威又要戴頭盔 describes someone who wants to look awesome and powerful, but at the same time is very scared of taking any responsibility. They want all the glory, but none of the risk. 呢啲人通常都會好鍾意喺人哋面前表現自己啦，或者係出風頭嘅。但係一講到要負責任，要認數呢，就會即刻縮沙，想揾個安全網匿埋自保。We use it to describe people who love to look good in front of others, but actually quite scared when it comes to take responsibility. 不過其實戴頭盔呢個字喺廣東話入面呢，仲有一個深層嘅含義喎。其實呢，係帶有少少嘅揶揄，甚至係輕輕嘲諷你嘅意思嘅。Actually, 戴頭盔 is a bit sarcastic. So, the deeper meaning is, you want to act like a hero, but you also want a safety net, just in case something goes wrong. 有時我哋會笑人，佢成日都係咁㗎，又要威，又要戴頭盔。He always wants to show off, but he also overprotects himself and avoids responsibility. 而去到而家呢個時代呢，我哋用戴頭盔呢個字通常都會係喺講任何嘅個人意見之前，首先講咗一大堆嘅免責聲明。例如，當你想講嗱，我唔係專家啊，不過呢，又或者純粹個人意見啫，你哋唔好打我啊。In English, this is like saying, I am not an expert, but This is just my personal opinions, so please don't attack me. 呢啲就係典型嘅戴定個頭盔先。So when you want to express something like that, you can use this 戴頭盔 means you put on your verbal helmet before you say something risky, which is used to protect yourself from criticism or blame. So, in nowadays, 戴頭盔 can also mean to add a disclaimer before you speak or to protect yourself. 你可以咁用，嗱，我戴個頭盔先，以下全部都係我嘅個人意見嚟嘅啫。I will put on my helmet first. Everything I'm going to say is just my personal opinion. 其實我哋除咗喺發表個人意見或者自己嘅言論之前會用戴頭盔呢個字之外呢，喺朋友之間，我哋互相傾談或者互相俾啲意見之前呢，都好常見嘅。例如，當你想同一個朋友講一句真心話，但係你又驚佢嬲你嘅時候呢，你可以話：嗱，我戴返個頭盔先，我真係為你好㗎。但係我覺得你男朋友嘅控制欲真係太強啦。In English, that's like, I will put on my helmet first. I really say this because I care about you, but I think your boyfriend is a bit too controlling. 呢度嘅戴頭盔其實就係預先講明，我冇惡意㗎，我只係關心你嘅咋，令對方聽落去舒服啲，容易啲咁接受你嘅意見。除咗喺現實世界之外呢，戴頭盔喺網上嘅世界都好常用㗎。例如，如果喺呢種情況下，唔好鬧我啊！我真係路過發表下意見㗎咋。嗱，我唔係黑粉啊，不過呢個角色真係唔係好啱佢演咯。Before leaving a comment on the social media, people will say, Please don't hate me. I'm just sharing my opinion. I'm not a hater, but I really don't think this role suits him. 呢個時候你就可以講，而家好多人喺發表網上意見之前都會戴定個頭盔先。Nowadays, a lot of people will put on their helmet before they share their opinions online. 好啦，聽完咁多，而家就好快咁樣幫你總結一下戴頭盔呢個字到底係咩意思，同埋佢會點樣用啦。首先，佢嘅字面意思 ，it literally means to wear a helmet and to protect your head。深層嘅意思就係 it related to the origin， 又要威又要戴頭盔。You want to look powerful and impressive, but you are scared of taking risk and responsibilities, so you overprotect yourself. The modern usage. Before giving your opinion, you add a lot of disclaimers. This behavior is jokingly called 戴頭盔。以下呢幾句你可以直接拎去用嘅。Here are some examples that you can use directly in your daily life. 嗱，我戴定個頭盔先，以下係屬於我嘅個人感受啫。I will put on my helmet first. What I'm going to say is just my personal feeling. 佢成日又要威，又要戴頭盔。He always want to look good, but he always protecting himself and avoid responsibility. 最後，俾一個小小嘅任務你。A mission for you. Try to make your own sentence with 戴頭盔 in Cantonese. You can start with 我戴定個頭盔先。其實 I will put on my helmet first. Actually， 你可以喺心入面讀一次，又或者 send 俾一個都學緊廣東話嘅朋友仔，同佢解釋一下咩叫做戴頭盔啦。If you enjoyed this bilingual breakdown of Cantonese slang, You are very welcome to keep listening and share it with your friends who are also learning Cantonese. And I'll bring you more Cantonese phrases with culture, not just vocabulary. 多謝你聽到嚟呢一度啊！希望下次你戴頭盔嗰陣會諗起今日呢一集啦。We'll stop here today. See you in next episode. Bye bye!